In today's video, I'm going to teach you deleting a notebook in OneNote. If you've ever wondered why the OneNote desktop app doesn't have a delete option, here's the key. The desktop app only lets you close a notebook from your view. True deletion happens where the notebook is stored, which is usually OneDrive or locally on your computer for offline notebooks. Start by removing the notebook from your OneNote desktop app so it's out of your list. In the left pane, right-click the notebook and choose Close this notebook. This doesn't erase anything yet. It simply hides it from your workspace and helps you avoid accidentally editing it while you're deleting it elsewhere. Next, head to onedrive.live.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. OneNote notebooks are typically in the Documents or Notebooks folder. Navigate there, hover over the notebook, and either tick the checkbox or open the three dots menu. Choose Delete. At this point, the notebook moves to the OneDrive recycle bin, so it's not gone forever yet. To permanently remove it, open the recycle bin from the left sidebar in OneDrive. Select the notebook, then choose Delete Forever. If you prefer, you can also empty recycle bin to clear everything at once. Keep in mind, OneDrive usually retains deleted items for 30 to 60 days, so if you skip this step, you'll still be able to restore the notebook during that window. If you're working in OneNote on the web at onenote.com, you can right-click the notebook there and select Delete. Just like before, make sure you go to your OneDrive recycle bin afterward and empty it if you want the notebook permanently removed. On mobile, long press the notebook and tap Delete. That action also moves it to the OneDrive recycle bin, so be sure to confirm the deletion in OneDrive if you want it gone for good. For local notebooks stored on your computer, first close the notebook in the OneNote app, then open File Explorer and go to your Documents folder inside OneNote Notebooks. Find the Notebooks folder and delete it from there. If you want it permanently removed, empty your system recycle bin as well. It's a good idea to make sure OneNote is closed when you delete local files to avoid sync or locking conflicts. Before you finalize any deletion, consider exporting a backup if there's anything you might need later, and remember that deleting a shared notebook will remove access for everyone. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more OneNote tips and tutorials.